Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a cleanup on your DREAME X30 Ultra. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then find Scheduled Cleanup. Now you can click on plus to add a schedule. Now you can change the starting time. I have it in 24-hour format, so let's say I'll set it to 2:20 p.m. Then the repetition, as you can see, you can set it to once, which means when you enable the schedule, it will happen on the first possible time, like the next day or the same day if that time wasn't there yet. And then it will disable itself. You can later enable the schedule again when you want to run it. Now daily, you can set it to daily, so it'll be every day, Monday to Friday, weekend or custom, and you can select the dates yourself. You can select Clean Genius, which will do like the whole house, routine cleaning or deep cleaning, or room routine, and select the rooms that you would like to clean, routine or deep cleaning. But you can also set it to custom. Then you can set it to the whole house, cleaning mode, suction power, wetness, route, and cycles. But you can also do room and select certain rooms. You can also change the preferences for each room separately. And you can also add a shortcuts if you have them set. I will do all with a mop, with vacuum and mop, standard. And yeah, let's do it. Let's approve. And now the schedule is enabled, so it is working. If I disable it, it is paused until I enable it back again. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.